The world is awash with scents, a symphony of chemicals carried on the air. We often think of smell as identifying food or flowers, but our noses are capable of much more. Hidden within this invisible world are pheromones, chemical messengers. These are not the same scents that we consciously smell as perfume or freshly cut grass. Pheromones are detected by a special set of receptors in our noses, the vomeronasal organ. These receptors, like tiny antennae, pick up on pheromones released by other people. These chemical signals, often found in sweat, can carry a surprising amount of information. While we may not be consciously aware of these smells, our bodies are attuned to their subtle messages. Pheromones are an ancient form of communication used by many animals. Think of how a dog knows where it's been by sniffing the ground. We humans may have a similar, albeit less developed, ability to detect and interpret these chemical cues. Have you ever noticed that emotions seem contagious? Walk into a room filled with laughter and you might find yourself smiling too. The same can be true for stress and anxiety. Our emotional states are not entirely our own. They can be influenced by those around us. One way this might happen is through the release of pheromones. When we experience stress, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. This triggers a cascade of physiological changes, including changes in our sweat composition. The pheromones released during times of stress can be different from those released when we are relaxed. It is as though our emotions leave a chemical signature in the air, a subtle signal that can be picked up by others. Our conscious minds may be oblivious to the world of pheromones, but our bodies are not. There is growing evidence that exposure to certain pheromones can trigger physiological changes in others. For example, studies have shown that smelling sweat from a stressed person can increase our own heart rate and anxiety levels. This suggests that we may be able to unconsciously detect and respond to the emotional states of others through smell. Imagine walking past a stranger on the street and feeling a sudden wave of unease. It is possible that you picked up on pheromones signaling stress or fear, triggering a similar feeling in you. This unconscious communication could be a remnant of our evolutionary past, a way to quickly assess danger or identify potential mates. Now let's explore the second brain, gut feelings and mood. We often talk about gut feelings as if our stomach has a mind of its own. While not literally a brain, the gut does have its own complex nervous system, often referred to as the second brain. This enteric nervous system is in constant communication with our brain, influencing everything from digestion to mood. The gut is also home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microscopic inhabitants play a crucial role in our health, influencing our immune system, metabolism, and even our mental well-being. The gut-brain axis, this intricate network of communication between the gut and the brain, is a two-way street. Just as our emotions can impact our gut health, think butterflies in your stomach, our gut health can impact our mood. Let's give some thought to a speculative link: pheromones, gut and instinct. Could there be a connection between the pheromones we detect and our gut feelings? This is where we delve into the realm of speculation. What if the pheromones we unconsciously smell influence not only our emotional state, but also our gut microbiome? It's a fascinating possibility. Imagine this: we inhale pheromones that signal stress. These chemical messengers are absorbed into our bloodstream and travel throughout our body. Could they potentially interact with the bacteria in our gut, influencing their composition or activity? If so, this could explain why we sometimes experience physical sensations like butterflies or nausea in response to emotional triggers. This connection between pheromones, the gut microbiome, and instinct is still largely unexplored territory. However, the intricate connections between our senses, emotions, and gut health offer a tantalizing glimpse into the complex workings of the human body. Smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing scientific insights, and I'll see you in the comments, my friends.